So in this video, in this part, you must know about usage of the type. Type tool is the most important part of toolbox. We have two different type tool in Adobe InDesign. The first one is Me type tool, and there you have just basic, simple type tool. And there is the next Me type on a pad tool, and there you have simple basic type on a pad tool. What is the difference between these types? Let's go to empty page. So if you need to write from right to left, select Me type tool for writing Arabic, Persian language. Create a text box and continue your text paragraphs. So if you want to write English language, you must use from the type tool. This type tool will allow you to write your text from left to right. And the next one is on pad, how to use type on a pad. Let's create, for example, ellipse tool, circle. So I need to type on pad. Go to type tool and select type on a pad. Click here. When you move the cursor top of the pad, there you can see the plus icon. Click here and go to type fill. So Ctrl plus A, select all and go to here. Click on size tab and press up arrow key, change the size. Select again your selection tool and now you can see the result. Don't forget, you can go to stroke color, select none. And now you can control your paragraph by rotate, hold shift, here. Okay guys, we have another type of type tool. If you need to type paragraph into circle, you must select simple type tool and click here. Go to type fill with placeholder. Select. You can turn off the stroke color by selecting none, and now you can see your paragraph without any border or stroke. So if you have basic text box here, create basic type tool like this and go to type and make fill with placeholder text. And now you need to control this paragraph. Don't forget, here you have the column count. You can make 3 columns. So if you need to control more, go to object. Here you can control the text frame option. Click here and there turn on the preview and control the columns 3, 4 and control insert space from the border like this. So if you need to create rulers, select design and make size and create different color, and there you can control the baseline, control auto size from height, weight, and you can control the footnotes. So in next videos you can see how to use footnote, endnote, and how to control the footnote, endnote. So this was about how to use the type tool, how to use type tool on a pad, and what is the difference between Me type tool and type tool.